Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to JP Visual Voices. I'm your host, Ouija. Thank you for tuning in to this brand new podcast, which is about a conversation, just regular conversation about photography, videography, especially for beginners. Basically, this podcast is not like them regular YouTube videos. It'll be more like conversations about the gears to get, what to expect, starting your brand new photography journey. Um, and then we're here today. We're gonna start talking about all of it. Basically, the amount of money to expect to spend when you start your photography, especially in the wedding industry. So we're gonna have a good talk, sit down conversation, enjoy some laughters. We're gonna have a few hosts coming in. We're gonna have a few clients that I've worked with in the past, a few vendors that I've worked with in the past. We're gonna have obviously some photographers coming in, videographers coming in, sitting down and just chit chatting and have conversations because in this type of industry, there is so much that is going on that they not telling you about. And trust me, when I tell you they not telling you about that, they don't tell you the amount of money that you have to spend. They don't tell you how hard it is for you to get clients. They don't tell you that gears do matter. Even though YouTube is telling you that, the gear don't matter and all of that, gears do matter. But today, this is the goal. We will sit down like a family. We will have, regular conversations. I will bring some fun into these conversations, make it a little fun, nothing too crazy, just relaxing, and then, just take it as it is. So hopefully you guys bring somebody, bring a friend that you know might be interested. And then again, this is not just your typical photography podcast. This is going to be the conversations that you want to have that nobody is having. You get what I'm saying? So this is why we're here. So again, if you are interested, especially if you are a beginner photographer or you planning on starting your photography journey, this is the right place for you to be, man. Trust me. You see right here, we got our nice drinks right here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna bring a few drinks, a few games, just to make it fun for you guys. Um, but yeah, so again, if you like this type of things, make sure you follow us, like, and if you're watching from YouTube, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you learned anything. We will have a few games, we will have a few things on the Patreon page, which is coming soon. But I will let you guys know when that's out. But right now, you don't have to worry about that. We just need to, focus on this right now. All right. So again, make sure you leave us a 5-star review. Look, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I have so much to talk about. I love talking about photography. I love talking about, especially doing weddings. I love talking about camera stuff. So I have a lot to unpack. So basically, I'm gonna need y'all help. I need y'all to help me to build a community to where we take this podcast to another level. So again, leave us a 5-star because that's the way that it all depends on where you're listening from. If you're listening to on Apple Podcasts, if you're listening to iHeartRadio, well, iHeart Radio Podcast, I guess. If you are listening to Pandora, wherever you listening to this audio podcast, we would appreciate it if you leave us, especially that's the very first video. So leave us a 5-star rating and we will appreciate it. But again, you're not forced to leave a 5-star. If you feel like this is a 4-star, this is a 1-star, whatever you have to say, say whatever you mean. See you on the next one.